If you're a man, you've probably heard about varicose veins, but automatically think you don't have to worry about them because it's a woman's issue. While it's true that this condition primarily plagues middle-aged women, it may surprise you to know that as many as 45% of all men will experience varicose veins at some point in their lives. The number one reason? Family history. If your mother or grandmother had them, you're more likely to get them. Sitting or standing for long periods of time, or even previous leg trauma, can also increase your risk. Dr. Charlie Hahn of Veins, Florida explains what varicose veins are and what men can do about them.
Men tend to get large varicose veins. They tend not to get a lot of the spider veins the women get. I think their skin is thicker. And I would say overall probably 15 to 20% of my patients are men and 80% are women. Genetic plays a very large role. The patient have a strong family history of varicose vein tend to develop early and tend to have lots of more. It certainly has a genetic disposition. Varicose veins most common happen to women because they have hormonal changes in their body, but men certainly can have those. If they have a job require they standing on their feet for a long period of time, tend to develop varicose veins also. The reason being is we as human, we are bipedal, we stand upright. So our body work against gravity. The gravity tend to pull blood down to the leg. And the human body is not designed for that. It's designed for being on the four legs, and just like cows or horse. And so when you're standing up for a long time, the gravity will pull the blood down, and the body trying to prevent that by using a valve system in the veins. Over the years, the valves can worn out in the veins that cause varicose veins. A lot of patients think it's not medical problems, but varicose veins can cause blood clots in them, and then they cause a tremendous amount of pain once the blood in them become clots. And we call the thrombophlebitis. And also, the larger it gets, they tend to pull more blood, which cause skin changes, color changes around these large varicose veins. It can cause skin ulcers, which will take a very long time to heal. And also they can cause a large amount of bleeding if they got injured. People can live with varicose veins for a long time. They tend to have a long-lasting effect on patients, more so than some of the medical problems, in which either you don't have symptoms or the symptom goes away after short treatment. But for varicose veins, it can come back years later, and it's been with patient for a long time.
If you'd like more information on varicose veins or contact information for Veins Florida, just click on the Vein to Stain StoryLink icon on our homepage at yourhometownhealth.com.